5 Collagen Boosting Foods for Glowing Skin. Walk through Myeongdong in Seoul, and you'll see this crowds of tourists rushing into Olive Young, stocking up on K-beauty products. Why? Because everyone is chasing that healthy, glowing skin. But here's the truth. No matter how many serums or creams you buy, your skin glow starts from within. And one key factor is collagen. It's the protein that keeps skin bouncy. But as we age, collagen levels drop. The good news: what you eat can help your body make more. Let's talk about 5 proven collagen boosting foods and exactly how to use them safely. 1. Aloe vera, the skin's natural healer. Why it works. Aloe stimulates skin cells to produce collagen and supports healing. Some studies show oral aloe supplements improved skin elasticity and reduced wrinkles. How to use and dosage. Oral. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of purified aloe vera juice per day. Make sure it's decolorized and food grade, not whole leaf latex. Topical. Apply a thin layer of pure aloe gel to clean skin for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Safe to use 2 to 3 times weekly. 2. Vitamin C-rich foods, the collagen builder. Why it works. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Without it, your body can't form strong collagen fibers. Examples: oranges, strawberries, broccoli, red peppers, kale. How to use and dosage. Aim for 75 to 90 milligrams vitamin C daily. About 1 orange plus 1 cup strawberries covers this. A quick recipe. Blend strawberries, orange juice, and spinach into a morning smoothie. 3. Ginseng, ancient secret for strong skin. Why it works. Ginseng contains antioxidants that protect skin from UV damage and promote collagen growth. How to use and dosage. Tea. Brew 1 to 2 grams of dried ginseng root in hot water daily. Supplement. Most studies use 200 to 400 milligrams Panax ginseng extract per day. Always choose a standardized supplement. Tip: avoid taking it late in the day, since it can be stimulating. 4. Cilantro, coriander, leaf, the bright green collagen booster. Why it works. Cilantro is rich in vitamin C and linolenic acid, which fight free radicals and protect collagen from breakdown. How to use and dosage. Add 1/4 cup fresh cilantro leaves to salads, soups, or smoothies daily. Cilantro extract supplements exist, but using the fresh herb in cooking is safe and effective. 5. Algae, ocean power for skin. Why it works. Algae, like spirulina and chlorella, are packed with antioxidants. They reduce oxidation from pollution and UV damage that break down collagen. How to use and dosage. Powder. Add 1 teaspoon, about 3 grams, spirulina or chlorella powder into a smoothie or juice daily. Capsules. Standard supplements range from 500 to 1,000 milligrams twice daily. Start small to avoid stomach upset, then increase gradually. Closing wrap. So, to recap: aloe vera, vitamin C foods, ginseng, cilantro, and algae are natural, science-backed ways to help your skin stay firm and youthful. Try adding just 1 this week. Maybe a strawberry cilantro smoothie, or a teaspoon of spirulina in your juice. Small changes add up. If this helped, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments. Which of these 5 foods will you try first?